مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. Yalla, let's begin. Marhaba. Welcome to Must Know Lebanese Arabic Phrases for Daily Life. This is going to help you learn Levantine Arabic fast. And we're at part 3. Today, you're going to learn phrases that have to do with congratulating others, as well as phrases that will help ward off the evil eye. You heard it. Let's begin. Yalla nbellish. To say congratulations, you simply say mabrook. Mabrook literally means blessed. So in other words, may it be blessed, whether that's for a new baby, someone who's just got married, someone who's graduated, for anything that this phrase applies. So broadly speaking, congratulations, may it be blessed, mabrook. And us people of the Levant, we're very generous. So why not say 1,000 mabrooks? So 1,000 times congratulations. Alf Mabruk. Alf for 1,000 and Mabruk for blessed. Alf Mabruk. And sometimes we even say Alf Mabruk. So we say Alf twice just to emphasize the word 1,000. So we're very happy, very excited for you. So we say Alf Mabruk. Someone's just got married. What would you say? This is a typical phrase. There are others, of course. Inshallah btithannu. Inshallah btithannu. So you could emphasize the E at the beginning or the I. So inshallah or inshallah, whatever is more comfortable for you to pronounce. So God willing. And then tithannu literally means to enjoy your life together or enjoy one another. So tithannu, because the noon is doubled. Tithannu. Inshallah btithannu. What would you say to someone who's just had a baby? Of course, you can say Mabruk al-baby. You can as well say Mabruk ma ijekun. Mabruk ma ijekun. So literally means congratulations, Mabruk. Ma, this doesn't mean no. This is not the negative ma. It's literally what. So it's a relative pronoun over here. Congratulations for what has come to you. Ijekun. So, Mabruk ma ijekun. Congratulations on what has come to you, i.e. the baby. Congratulations on the arrival of the baby. Mabruk ma ijekun. And a note, in Arabic, we typically write the pronoun over here with a meme, but we pronounce it with a noon typically in Lebanese. You could also say yitrabba ba'izkum. May he be raised in your bliss. Iz is bliss. Yitrabba. Yitrabba. So the B is doubled. Yitrabba. Yitrabba. B. Izkun. Yitrabba b'izkun. May he be raised in your bliss. Again, the meme, it should be written this way in Arabic, but we typically pronounce it with a noon in Lebanese. Very common word, and I'm sure you're going to hear that word often if you go to Lebanon, Smallah. And it's contracted from the phrase Bismillah, which means in the name of God. So it's typically a blessing and protection phrase. So if you ever see something nice, instead of saying how beautiful or how nice, you would literally mention God's name as sort of a protection against the evil eye. Be mindful if you see something nice and you don't say Smallah, that could be somehow offensive, not necessarily offensive, but people would be wary of your jealous or evil eyes. So make sure that you say Smallah at every opportunity. Anytime you see something cute, nice, new, make sure that you mention Smallah. Another common word could be as well, mashallah, the same as Smallah, and that's contracted from masha'Allah, and that literally means as God wills or as God willed. So same thing, if you see something nice or you're admiring something or someone nice, just say Smallah or mashallah. And that literally wards the evil eye away. Also, people commonly believe. We've reached the end. Make sure you stick around for more useful videos. Write down in the comments if you've ever used these phrases before or heard them. And let me know what you think. Shukran. Ma salame. Bye.